Hello, good morning or afternoon or evening or middle of the night or whenever. Maybe you're taking a shit at this moment. I don't really know, and frankly I don't really care, but thanks for tuning in and watching this next video. I'm going to the Ruitenboer, aka window farmer, so the glass guy, and he is going to install a new windshield today. Something I've been looking forward for a really long time, as you've seen before. So this is the last drive without the windshield, which is still a very interesting experience. That's the word I was looking for. So no windshield, it's so funny. Never gets old. Probably until I get a massive bug in my eye, but that's what the shades are for. Thank you for Oakley, not sponsored. These are frog skins, by the way. I really love them. I bought these a couple of years back in Australia on my honeymoon, and I love them ever since. They're great. So again, not sponsored by Oakley, but yeah, massive fan. They're just very nice. Anywho, back to the subject at hand. It's getting a little bit windy here. I'm driving 75 kilometers per hour metric, and I've got the slider open, so there's a nice breeze. That's also what I need today, because it is a official heat wave. So that means today it will be over 30 degrees again. I think at this moment it's already 25 degrees and it's only 8:30. So it's going to be a hot day again today, but hey, that's Dutch life. At least we have seasons, so that's really good. And we're going for the 80 without windshield and an open slider. Okay, that's quite windy, but it's cool. Best unobstructed road view ever. Yeah, I'm speeding. Bite me. So yeah, next shot will be at the glass guy, maybe installing, and otherwise it's already in there. So see you there. Yep, here we are at the Ruitenboer. Deze? Yep. Gaat goed uit?
Goed, ja.
Zoiets? Mooi. Hey guys, new windshield is in. Oh boy, it's clean. Check this out. No speck, no dust, no nothing. It's just clear AF. Or clear as fuck. I really like this. It's a nice upgrade for this old truck. Let me show you outside. Look at this. How bright and clean is this windshield? Just amazing. Of course, it's nothing special because every new windshield is as clean and as bright as this, but still, it's a nice thing to actually look through. So thanks for tuning in, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.